Ever wonder what happens when you cross a classic American flavor like bacon with Chinese fried rice? I'm going to show you how to make hot honey bacon fried rice. We made our way over to the wok and we're going to turn up the heat a little bit. You'll want this to heat up to medium heat. And we've got some sugar cured bacon that's thick cut. It'll be perfect for this dish. So I'm going to put this in the pan. Let it sweat just a little bit. And what that's going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of oil to help start that sweat. And the oil will keep the bacon from getting too crispy, but it will also help render some of that beautiful fat that's going to be delicious in our fried rice. You'll want to move this around in your wok until it's just about started to crisp. This bacon will add a nice smoky flavor to our fried rice. Once your bacon is cooked all the way, we're going to drain some of that bacon fat. We've cooked the bacon until it's slightly crisp, and we're going to add a half cup of raw onions. You'll want to saute this around a little bit until the onions get about a third of the way cooked. I'm going to add a little bit of neutral oil to this and add in some cooked rice. There are different schools of thought about rice. Some say you should start with a refrigerated rice. The refrigerated rice will get nice and toasty as it hits the wok. Soft cooked rice is a little bit harder to toast, but you can still do it. Next, we're going to add in about a third cup of carrots that are shaved, about a quarter cup of green onions, and a half cup of bean sprouts. We're going to give this a toss. Now we're going to add just a little bit of the bacon grease back in. So that helps sear our rice. We're going to add in a half tablespoon of black pepper and about 2/3 tablespoon of kosher salt. So I'm tossing it so that more of the rice gets toasted before we serve it. We're going to add a little bit of thick soy sauce and a little bit of light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is a little saltier than thick soy sauce, but thick soy sauce gives you that nice brown color. All right, our fried rice is ready to plate. Let's finish off our plate and get this ready to serve. We want to take some hot honey, which you can buy or you can make. You'll just take some honey and infuse it with some chilies. We like to use Thai chilies when we make our own, but it's readily available. We're going to take this and drizzle it right on top of our bacon fried rice. And then we're going to top it with some, these are called chili threads, and it is just chili peppers that are sliced really thin. We're going to put that right on top. And that is our beautiful hot honey bacon fried rice.